My name is Olorunrebi Susanna. I'm 23 years old. I'm a fresh graduate. I recently graduated from the University of Ibadan. I studied chemistry and I live in Mowi, Ogun State, Nigeria. Growing up socially, I had no friends. I was all on my own because most times when I speak, people laugh at me and I'm always in my own shell. And medically, I discovered that most times when I take in water, it comes out through my nose. And most times my food hangs at my palate area. It was really difficult for me at that time. I received the surgery in December 2019 and it was life changing because I would speak anywhere. In fact, I'm able to speak even to a large number of people and I would feel inferior or I'll feel that they may not hear me clearly. So, and I'm able to make more friends. But at least no one will want a friend than I hear what a friend is saying. So that really been of great help and been a great benefit to me. I heard about the speech therapy immediately after my surgery.
Mistake is where you walk. Yes, let's hear that key a bit louder.
Dr. Olusoya said I would undergo therapy to see if I'll be able to improve in the speech. And I went through therapy, but quite hard. The way I pronounce this word, telling me to pronounce it, no, in the way to pronounce. So, but I continued, I kept up with it, and I discovered that my pronunciation were better and it was clearer. I never thought I would have a surgery, and that's too for free. But at that point in my life, I could not afford that surgery. So I'm really grateful for Smart Friend. In fact, when I woke up and I opened my mouth and I took the mirror and I saw, I was glad. I was very happy. I was very, very happy. Unbelievable, like more like my entire life had been changed. My confidence was brought back, my self-esteem and the partners were very helpful too. They followed me back, calling and asking how I was doing and how it was going. Before I would not blow balloons, now I blow balloons. I would not whistle, now I whistle. So it was really great. It brought a smile to my face. The video is bright, but now it's brighter when it's smile. Thank you, Smart Train.